So I got paid, and I sold some old lenses, and my gas is itching again. I want to buy new gear. Specifically, I'm eyeing the Lumix G90 for some reason. I don't understand. Yeah, I'm just obsessed with the new gear, and I already have these two cameras that are way better than G90, GH5 and G9. Both are way better in every way, but still, I'm a little bit obsessed with the G90. Maybe because of the vlog, maybe because of the unlimited recording, but practically, even my GX80, which is what I'm shooting with right now, is better at shooting video than the G90 because it doesn't have as much crop in 4K. This is what you see right now. It's a 1.1 times crop, something like that. On the G90 you get a 1.25 times crop. Impossible to vlog with. And the 1080p, I'm not happy with the 1080p quality from these cameras. Only the 1080p from G9 and the GH5 are good enough for me. So, yeah. Please don't buy it. Future me, please don't buy it. If you see me reviewing the Lumix G90, please unsubscribe from my channel as a punishment. Okay. Going around and around. That's my scooter. Second round. Okay, I gotta go. It's winter time. Vlog Nation! Vlog every day! Impossible, I will not vlog every day. This is like a 10 to 25 f1.7. It's perfect for low light. Beautiful. Beautiful lens. Beautiful low light. Amazing camera. Amazing lens. What else can you ask? A bird? A plane? Superman. It's Superman.